Hello everyone, welcome to online session. Standard 3rd Computer Subject. Lesson number 2 More on Keyboard. In this previous lesson, we learned that we input the data into the computer. It is done using a mouse or a keyboard. Whenever we want to write in the computer, we use the keyboard. Let us see how much you know about the keyboard. Number 1. Circle the key which is situated directly to the right of the key. O U L G. Find out which key is coming right side. Yes, it is Y key. Number 2. Circle the key on which the given star symbol is set. 7, 9, 8, 6. C. Star key. In this lesson, we will learn about the keyboard, its different keys, types and their functionalities. The keyboard is the most basic input device. It is made up of many small buttons called the keys. It allows us to enter letters, numbers and symbols into the computer. The given image shows a regular 104 keys on the keyboard. Do you know Christopher Lentham Sholage in 1819 to 1890 is known as the father of the typewriter. There are various types of keys on the keyboard, such as number 1 alphanumeric keys, number 2 function keys, number 3 navigation keys, number 4 function key, number 5 modifier keys, number 6 special keys, number 7 toggle keys. The keyboard layout is known as a QWERTY, as these are the first 6 letters in the first row of letters. Let us have a look at some keys in the keyboard section. Alphanumeric keys. These keys refer to either letter or number key. The number key are located in two places on the keyboard. They are above the letters and to the right of the letters. Numeric keypad. It is a group of keys located on the right side of the keyboard. It looks like a calculator. It has a plus sign, minus sign, enter key, delete key and numlock key. Punctuation keys related to punctuation. These are the commas, slash, colon, semicolon and period keys. All of these keys have the multiple uses. For example, the slash key double as the question mark key. To type upper symbols, we need to press the key while holding the shift key. Navigation key. These keys are also known as a cursor or arrow keys. They consist of 4 arrows. One is pointing up, one is pointing down, one pointing right and one is pointing left. We can also change the position of the cursor using the key mentioned below. Page up, page down, home and end key. Do you know this key is called the Windows key? It opens the start menu of Windows. Let us do draw the arrow keys and complete the sentence given below. These keys are called function key. The key from F1 to F12 are known as the function keys. These are lined along the top of the keyboard. The function key have many uses. Modifier keys. A modifier key is a key on a computer's keyboard that is only used together with another key. They perform computer, keyboard, shortcut and other commands. Modifier keys include Shift, Control and Alt key. For example, in many text editor programs, pressing Ctrl plus A will select all text. When the Shift key is pressed at the same time as a letter key, an uppercase version of that letter is produced for other non-letter keys. This action provides the symbol that above the main symbol or number on the key. These shortcuts are useful for managing files. Ctrl plus S to save, Ctrl plus O to open, Ctrl plus N for new, Ctrl plus Z for undo, Ctrl plus C for copy, Ctrl plus V for paste, Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus A for selected all. Let us look at the keyboard and write which key you will press to get the signs given below on the screen. One has been made for you. % sign is available on Shift plus 5 number. Hash sign is available on Shift plus 3. @ sign is available on Shift plus 2. Special keys. Special keys on the keyboard have a specific task. Tab key. Move between the item or move forward 5 characters. Escape key is used to cancel or stop any command. Spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give one space while typing. Backspace key is used to erase letters toward the left of the cursor. Delete key is used to remove letters towards the right of the cursor and delete selected the text or object. Insert key is used to insert any letter or image while typing. Print screen key. Pressing the print screen key capture an image of your entire screen. Keys. A toggle key is a key that is used to turn a function on or off. For example, caps lock key and numlock key are the example of toggles key. Numlock key. Turning the numlock key on allows us to use the numbers on the keyboard. When the numlock key is off, the arrows and special keys on the number pad are not active. Caps lock key. When we press the caps lock key, the features is on and that let us type the capital letter. To go back to typing lowercase letter, press the caps lock key again. Let us do. Sam wrote the names of 5 of his friends' computer. Mark the one which were the written with a caps lock on Avantika, Vivan, Aniruddha. This three name is written in a caps lock key. Glossary. Number 1. Alphanumeric keys, alphabet and number keys. Number 2. Caps lock. Enable or disable all the letters from beginning type in uppercase. Number 3. Enter key. Used to send the cursor to the next line or execute a command or operation. Function keys. Keys F1 to F12 have the special function set. Keyboard. Primary input device of a computer. Print screen. Send the correct screen image to the computer keyboard or the printer. Toggle key. Switches the features on a computer on and off by pressing the same button or a key.